the murder of crows. We are the Jam Baker!
I'm Dolly Cash, and this is my professor. He's my creator, my maker, and my programmer.
Spreading our jam all over the world.
Yummy!
So what do you think of the other acts?
I think they are absolutely ludicrous.
The other bands are totally
We're gonna eat you for breakfast.
yummy!
Jamming.
Well, the other acts and the other artists, I'm really looking forward to singing with them.
They're flesh-blooded humans, which... Reset completed.
Which fills me with joy.
Why are you doing this charity single?
We did this charity single, but
We are the best band in the world.
So why are you doing a charity single, Professor?
Because I'm in the perfect VLB art.
Reset completed.
Why are you doing this charity single?
Because we want to prove that we are much better than they are.
and to enjoy Christmas. Cheers.